Oh my god, I got sniped and I'm on top of the bio lab. I'm gonna be an evil cop for everyone. Oh, hey Nathan. Nice team so far.
Oh, fucking hell. Ah, Nate. Oh, Ansimo, why did you stand there?
I didn't saw the red blinking thing.
It's kinda deadly, you know?
Wait,
Yeah,
what?
especially if you're right. Oh god, that guy stuck one to his back.
That was Archer, I think.
God damn it. Oh, God. What the fuck was...
The Terran Republic has
Get down,
taken
get
the
down.
facility.
Let's hide under it. Use it as niche. Okay.
Fuck.
Just file a restraining order on that flak Max. And then make up a sob story about how he raped your mother or something.
He fucked my cat.
Okay, what the fuck? Yeah.
Is this our three of us?
Yeah, boy.
No! Ah, future joined my liberator, my adorable Swiss man.
Is that a bad thing?
No, I love Future.
Wait a minute.
He's
Now that I think
probably
about
one of the cutest people.
it.
Oh, hey, hi!
Dude.
Planetside rule. How do you find out that you are fighting against a really good player? He wears a pink camo.
No, that's usually
It's
how
like
you
in
find
Dark
out if it-
Souls when you know you're up against a really good player and he's playing naked. That's how it is. Also, I flipped some guy's Valkyrie in the Warpkin and I think he's mad. Like, I flipped it the way that he can't unfuck his shit.
What are you talking about? Valkyries are so easy to unflip.
Not if the flip side is next to a post. Like a lamp post.
Oh,
So
you
go
cunt.
fuck yourself.
You evil
Go fucking
cunt.
crawl in a dirty, dank little hole where you fucking
he's
come from,
mad.
you
He
dirty,
should
dragon-eating
remember
little
right
fucking spastic. Okay, the dragon comment was probably...
I'll be back in a few minutes.
Oh, you're having a victory wank?
No, I would have a victory rank. What was I victorious in? Oh wait, yeah, I was victorious. I'm fucking king of the world. That's what I'm gonna do. A victory rank. Make it 20 minutes.
Though if you leave for 20 minutes, what are you gonna do with the other 19 minutes and 30 seconds?
Yeah.
No, shit! Throw a grenade, I forgot that. I was going to honk again, but I forgot people can't honk.
Have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you...
What? The textures aren't loading. What the fuck just happened?
I hit him! I fucking hit him!
You hit what?
The Mossy. Did you see it?
There was no Mossy!
There was a Mossy.
Oh, now the ground loaded. Okay, that's weird.
Oh, you should have seen
Someone-
it on my screen.
Oh, wow, my aim. Ah, nothing's loading. The game's so fucked right now.
Back up off the wall. Dance. Come on. Get down on it. Come on and